BlackBerry Cool Douglas, stranded in the wilderness of Toronto. Finally found some internet, so I'm going to do a much belabored unboxing of the Telus BlackBerry Storm, which I received last night. If the video quality is a little low, don't blame me. Blame the storm that I'm using to record this video. But, anyways, here we go. If I could get my lovely assistant to possibly hold the camera for me as I proceed with the unboxing. Packed in with music from Arts and Crafts. Stars was playing last night, and Brendan Canning was the DJ. It's great. You'll see some photos up on BlackBerry Cool, possibly some music as well. Let's see what we got here. Possibly some stickers, tips. Everything is bilingual. Sweet. Oh, Canada. This obviously refers to the Arts and Crafts label stuff. Showing a bunch of the Arts and Crafts recording artists. Got Stars, Book and Social Scene, Jason Collette, Ivy Milan. Information. Install CDs. Never use these. And here we go. Ooh, there it is. You want to see the accessories first, right? So we got screen cleaner. We got the case. Micro USB, very important because you probably don't have one of these yet, or never used them before. Some headsets. They look better than the standard fare. These might actually be the high quality ones from the RIM OEM store. Charger, and now let's get to the good stuff. Now it's interesting to note that the storms at the show last night were running 4.7.0.65, which is not going to be the final release build. And hopefully not. Oh, there's some setup instructions. Turn device on, and the setup wizard will help you. That's really useful. Alright, let's see if it will turn on. Nope, no battery. Alright, check back later for a fully working Telus BlackBerry Storm.